Hey guys, in this video I'm going to say how to prepare for your exam. This is the tip which I have used in my day-to-day life and I become success in the exam studies. Yes friends, you all know that exam starts and especially board exams for 10th and 12th is in the Feb and March month. And you all know that our studies starts from April month and we have to start from that, but you want a successful tips because you have studied many subjects, you have so many subjects and you are feeling very boring to study a one chapter. So in this video I'm going to say and going to talk about the tip where you all can use in your day-to-day life, and not only for one subject, it's for every subject, and you will not be bored from that subject chapters. It's like that. Yes friends, so what things we have to do in the day-to-day life? You need to make a book. Yes friends, I have used this. I was made a book which was my daily book. Okay, in that I would write what things I have done. I have made two books. One book was which topics I have covered up, and another book was about my topics, which is the very important topics I would write there. Otherwise, I would mark in my textbook which topics are important, which topics. I would choose one topics and start my studies. For example, today is today is today is Monday. So today Monday, which topic? Like I'm going to take English. So which topic I choose? Like novel names. This one is the topic example. So I will choose that. I will read it nicely. First of all, I will read and understand the concept. Okay, understand the concept. Then I will start learning it. Third, I will write without saying it, and then I will evaluate, and at last I will finish this topic. Then after Tuesday at morning, I'm an early riser, so I would get up at 4 o'clock. I would start my revision of that subject. Even you can do it. So take one topic, don't need to take fully chapters. I can understand it's impossible to take fully topics. Okay, so this was that how you can study and what you should study on that. You should pay attention on the main chapters. If you got a paper pattern, then you should follow the paper pattern. A paper pattern has a weightage of your subjects. For example, it's like for example, chapter 2 has more weightage, 28 marks. So try to read chapter 2's, cover up the maximum topics from chapter 2, then which is not a low weightage. You can see that low weightage is like chapter 1 has only 10 marks. Try to read a little bit less, but try to read more weightage marks topics and chapters. After that, you go to the minimum chapters also. You can use both. You means chapter 2 one topic you can take in the day which is main important, and chapter 1 you can take one topic which you can cover your higher weightage topics also and lower weightage topic also. You can do this tip, very useful tip it is. Okay, so this way you can make it. Even you can make a mind mapping of your topics. For example, I have a law of demand. This is the topic. Okay, example. So it has many main points. Start making mind mapping in one paper, whichever paper you have it, and you can stick it in your study table. Okay, where you sit. Next, start making your timetable and start following it. Like timetable, stick it in your study table. I have made many study hacks on it. You can go and watch it and try to read it again and again. Not to reading means you should understand which subject you are going to study. which topic you are going to take and follow it. Try to think that like you feel bored to read your topics and you're not following the timetable. I would tell that try to think that you have an exam near to you and try to give exams in every Sunday. So this can help you to prepare for your exams. So these are the tips which you can be useful in your exams, which is very useful. I would prefer it to use it in your exam, which can be helpful to you. Yes friends, even you can be an early riser, which I have made a video which is a reality. You can go and watch it now. And there are many more for the 10 students, 11 students and 12 students in my YouTube channel. So don't forget to watch it. Okay, so today only I am ending this lecture here, ending this video here. In next video we will see many topics. You can suggest your topics in the comment sections and like and share to your friends, and please don't forget to subscribe the channel and like button and comment whichever topics you want and how is the video.